McGrew with Print Sample TV. This time we want to talk about the fun of foiling and embossing. The folks at the Foil Stamping and Embossing Association, FSEA, in the US, every year they do a set of awards, and they were kind enough to send an envelope along with the award winners for 2024. And I wanted to share them because if you haven't thought about what you can do with embellishment, this is a really great time to have that conversation with your team, the designers that you work with, and the customers that you work with. Because even if you don't have this technology in your shop, you can probably get it. It is available through trade printers, trade binders, trade foilers. So first one I want to talk about is this one from Amore. It's Vince Cavuto. It's a lovely box, and it is really nicely embossed. This is done with Kurz technology. And in fact, we saw that there's a lot of Kurz technology. And it's fun because Jeff Peterson is the executive director of FSEA, and he even embosses his business card, which of course he should, because it's the association he represents. But one of the things that I wanted to make sure you saw was that it can be on a folding carton box. This is on film, and so this will peel off, right? And the embossing on this is a wine bottle label, and it's just done, this is done with Infinity foils. It is done beautifully on a black substrate. In case you're wondering, that is a black substrate with the foiling on top of it. This one, Infatuated, this is actually a sleeve that would go around a bottle. This is a perfume sleeve. These are the things that can make a difference for you, your customers, your profit margins, and their visibility in the market with their products. If you don't know much about embossing or stamping, look at the manufacturers like Kama and Kurz and MGI. Look at Tactiful, the website for guidance. There is so much to know and so much profit to be made. Hope it was useful. I'm Pat McGrew. This is Print Sample TV.